If your Mark 7 Transit van badge looks like this and you want it to look like this, obviously you get yourself a new badge. Thanks to everybody else who put the videos up on YouTube, but what I found is to get the Mark 7 front end off, you have to get a selection of bolts out from here behind the behind the number plate here. They are T40 Torx 40s. There's another one at the back there. When they come out, you can remove the grille. My van had an accident and this part was broken anyway, so I assume for yours you would need to undo it from the wheel arch on the good side, and then the side parts will come out. The headlights come out quite easily. One bolt here, one bolt here. That size. T35 I think these are, or T40. I think they're T40. Then unclip the headlight obviously from there. They might not be T40, but you'll find the size if you've got a Torx bit set. That gives you access. Once you get the bolts out, you can get the grille moving forward. Once the grille moves forward, you can get into the back side of it. Once you got into the back side of it, there's two spring clip type affairs that go onto these pegs at the back. I'm hoping this badge I bought has got the pegs in the right place. I may have to remove that one, peel off the sticky backing, push it in, push the pegs over there, the clips over the top so they link in and grab it, and job's a good one. Bolt everything back together. Short video, no waffle. Thank you everybody.